Does this remind you of the ocean? Just the way it looks, like waves in there. Well, this is my ocean lotion. This is one of my newest creations, my ocean lotion. Look how beautiful it is. It's just like the ocean in there. The waves. So I created this with ocean weeds and ocean algae. I used spirulina and I used seaweed. I used cannabis. I used coconut oil. And then I whipped that into my chaga lotion. So this is what it becomes. Like a nice, thick, whipped, foamy, beautiful lotion from the ocean. See how beautiful it is here. So hydrating to the skin. Gorgeous. Look at that. And it doesn't leave like a big build-up because it's made half oil from the ocean combined and whipped into my chaga lotion. So it's chaga ocean lotion.